5 scientific method. Okay, ask a question, make a hypothesis, gather information, study the information, draw a conclusion. Okay, so if I sayทบทวนให้ขนาดนี้นะคะนักเรียนถ้าใครทำข้อสอบไม่ได้นี่น่าดูทบทวนถึง2 วันเลยนะคะนักเรียนถ้าใครทำข้อสอบไม่ได้นี่แหละน่าดูนะคะโอเคแป๊บนึงนะคะask a question if I say Mary ... about type of butterflies by reading books searching the internet and observing butterfly with magnifying glass what is it will be it will be ask a question make a hypothesis gather information study the information or draw a conclusion it will be gather information because gather information is in this step we find answer to our question we observe more explore do experiment create model and then write down the data we get we gather from internet from book from observing from everything or from experiment gather information okay and then next one gather information next one to glow morning glory what is morning glory mean morning glory แปลว่าผักบุ้งนะคะ Jake has to know the right soil to use so Jake has to ask a question Jake has to ask a question in this step we ask question or identifying problems from observing things around us we should observe carefully using all our 5 senses okay if you don't know something you need to ask a question that's it so there are 5 steps of scientific methods ask a question make a hypothesis gather information study the information and draw a conclusion. Next page. Who is the father of genetics? Who is the father of genetics? So it will be Gregor Johann Mendel. He was born in Austria. 1822, his parents were a farmer. During his childhood, he loved to study and was sent to study at a monastery in Bern, now Brno in Czech Republic. His work, his experiment, he studied about pea plants ถั่วลันเตานะนักเรียน observed them and saw that they passed down their traits to their offspring. As he did more experience, he found the genetic traits were passed down to our other generations. He was able to explain how this happened in all living things. He is seen as the father of genetics. Okay, father of genetics. Next one, the human body. Nutrients, the human body. Nutrients and human body growth, lesson 1. This one, a human body growth, there are in the midterm exam, okay. The fetus grow fastest at this time at their life, okay, go fastest at this time of their life. And then if I say the teenager have a wrinkle or have a soft skin, it's wrong, okay, it's wrong because the teenager won't have soft skin. Oppo, come in. Oppo, we are at page 19. We are at page 19. Okay, 19. So, at old age, you will have dry, rough, and wrinkled skin and body stop growing, but not middle age. Okay, you have to remember it's not middle age. It's normal sense, you guys. It's normal sense. Okay, so but the thing that I want you to remember is the fetus grow fastest as time in their lifetime ดอกจันไว้นะคะ The fetus grow fastest at this time in their life. Next one, food control how bodies grow. Eating clean and healthy food and exercise every day makes bodies grow strong and healthy. To check if we are strong and healthy, we compare our weight and height to growth chart given by Department of Health, Ministry of Public Health. Okay, the growth chart, there are two types, boys and girls, but it will be weight to height. So it shows both weight and both height. If I say there only shows height or there only show weight, it's wrong. Okay, it was wrong. And what we have to do is to measuring growth chart, we should check our weight and height at least 2 times a year. We should do important medical check-up at least once a year. We should check or compare ourselves with people at the same age to see if we grow normally. We should record how we grow and compare it with the growth chart from Department of Health, Ministry of Public Health. Okay. Next one, important nutrient for the body. The first one is protein. Second one is carbohydrate. The third one is vitamins and minerals. The fourth one is fat. Butter is fat. Next one is vitamins and minerals. And the last one is waters. There are 5 food groups. 5 food group, and then the usefulness is protein, repair body tissue and help the body grow. Carbohydrate give the body energy to do activities. Okay, fat give the body energy and protect body organs. Also, fat keep the bodies warm. Okay, and vitamin control the body to work normally. Mineral control the body to work normally but build strong bone. And water is how the body send out waste. And then also controlling the temperature of the body. Waters, okay, controlling the temperature of the body. You have to remember the usefulness of 5 food group. There are 5 food group. Group 1, what is group 1? Group 1 is protein. For example, protein, meat, egg, milk, nuts. Protein, meat like chicken, beef, pork, or eggs. Okay. Group 2 is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate, for example, rice, noodles, starch, sugar, and taro. Taro is the purple potatoes. Okay, purple potato we call taro. Next one, number 3, group 3. Food with lots of vitamin and mineral is vegetable. Group 4, food with lots of vitamin and mineral. For example, fruit and vegetable is separated, you guys. Number 5, food with lots of fat and which, for example, vegetable and animals fat. Okay, of course, including butter. Protein, and then the nutrients, 5 food groups separate into 2 groups based on energy to give body. The first one give energy, protein, carbohydrate, and fat. The nutrients do not give energies are waters, minerals, and vitamin. Okay, the first one is protein. What is the usefulness of protein? Useful to our body is building muscle, bones, and helping us grow, repairing damaged tissue, giving us a healthy immune system and energy. Okay, next one, carbohydrate. Carbohydrate, for example, taro, potatoes, rice, and corn. They're also found in sugar and processed food like bread and noodles. Okay, when you eat something, you should eat various. Various mean you should eat many things. You don't eat only rice. You eat bread, pasta, or long grain rice or whatever. So you not eat only carbohydrate. What is the carbohydrate useful? Giving energy for our activities and keeping us warm. Okay, the most energy come from carbohydrate. Most energy in your body give energy for our activity is from carbohydrate. Next one, fat. You have to remember fat give energy. Where is fat come from? Soybean oil, sesame oil, coconut oil, and also pork, butters, and milk. What is fat useful to our body? Storing energy and keeping us warm. And also break down vitamin A, D, E, K. Or we call ADEK. Okay, so you have to remember it's fat soluble protein. For the body to easily use them. Next one, waters. It will be 6 group including waters, but it will be 5 food groups. Okay, but waters, what is how much we need to drink waters each day? We have to drink 6 to 8 glasses of clean waters each day. พูดถึงน้ำนะคะเรียนครูขอเบรกกินน้ำแป๊บ Being parts of organ and other body structure. The importance of water is controlling body temperature, sending out waste from the body. Science facts, obesity means having too much body fat. there are many things that make people obese, like eating routine, lifestyle, genetics. Obesity is also a genetic past trait. You have to remember, obesity is a genetic past trait. If your parents is fat, you tend to be fat more than your friend that don't have a fat parents, for example. Obesity can cause many health problems, feeling tired easily, difficulty in breathing, and heart disease. So many problems in obesity. You should not be obese. Okay. Next one, this one is very important. You have to ดอกจันนะคะ100 ล้านดอกนะคะหน้านี้เพราะว่าหน้านี้ออกข้อสอบนะคะ What is fat soluble vitamin? Fat soluble vitamin is อเด็กนะคะอเด็ก ADEK อเด็ก okay, and then they are separated to two groups, okay, fat soluble vitamin and water soluble vitamin. Fat soluble is a ด็ก ADEK, water soluble is B1, B2, B12, and C. Like when you eat vitamin C or you eat vitamin B, and then when you pee in the toilet, there are like water yellow come out. It's mean it's water soluble vitamin. Okay. Next one, liver cod A. Vitamin A. Where is vitamin A come from? Liver or cod liver oil, egg yolk, milk, butter, vegetable, and fruit. And where is D come from? What is D come from? Dairy product. Milk, butter, egg yolk, liver, dry fish, and morning sunlight. Of course, it's about morning sunlight. Okay, morning sunlight. So if you lack of vitamin D, because it cannot change vitamin D in the fat soluble form, you have to go outside to the sunlight. Okay. Next one, liver, meat, banana, brown rice, corn, and butter. It's from vitamin E. Banana have a lot of vitamin E. Next one, K. K is from green leafy, vegetable, liver, egg yolk, oil, and tomato. You can see egg yolk is very important. They most have vitamins and the good minerals. So if you are a student, you should intake eggs every day. For example, just one egg every day make your body healthy, as same as one apple every day make doctors go away. Okay, apple has a lot of vitamin too and makes you happy. If you eat apple every day, it make doctor go away. Okay, have a look as benefit and effect of lacking vitamin. Have a look. A. If you lack of vitamin A, you will have slow growth in children, dry and rough skin. If you lack of vitamin D, it will be weak and soft bone, or we call rickets. Vitamin E, this will be in exam. Okay, what vitamin you have to take to prevent miscarriage in pregnant women? What is miscarriage mean? Miscarriage ก็คือการแท้งบุตรนะคะการแท้งบุตรถ้าเกิดว่าขาดวิตามิน E, if we lack of vitamin E, we tend to have miscarriage in pregnant women. And also vitamin K. If you're lacking of vitamin K, you will be slower blood clotting than usual, or we can call whatever. Next one, water soluble vitamin B1, B2, B12, and C. B1 mostly come from brown rice, meat, beans, egg yolk, and green leafy vegetable. So you can see egg yolk is very important. You are a kid, egg yolk is very good for your brain, so you should eat egg yolk or like eggs, boiled egg or whatever. eggs every day. Eggs every day. At least 1 egg every day. It's good for your health. Okay. Liver, eggs, beans, milk, yeast, and green leafy vegetable is contain a lot of B2. B12, what if B12 is egg, liver, egg, and fish? It's B12. For example, next one, C, vitamin C, mostly found in fruits and vegetables that have sour taste. For example, orange, guava, and lemon. Have a look at next one, benefit and effect of lacking vitamin. For B1, this will be in your exam. If you lacking of B1, you will tend to have beriberi. Beriberi is ปากนกกระจอกไม่ใช่พูดผิดนะคะนักเรียนเหน็บชา beriberi is เหน็บชา next one B2 sore lip ปากนกกระจอกนะคะปากนกกระจอก next one B12 low red blood cell nerve pain and damage and then next one vitamin C have in midterm exam vitamin C if you lack of vitamin C you will have bleeding gum broken blood vessel likely to catch a curl next one this page ดอกจันไว้100ล้านดอกเหมือนกันนะคะดอกจันไว้100ล้านดอกเหมือนกันเวลาสอบไม่ให้เปิดหนังสือนะคะเวลาสอบ no open book cannot open book okay cannot open book calcium where do you find calcium mostly in dairy product okay milks nuts egg yolk green leafy vegetable dry shrimp and small fish both calcium and phosphorus if you lacking it will be rickets weak and soft bones okay remember this will be in your midterm exam if you lack of calcium and phosphorus you will get rickets is the disease in children, whereas the weak and soft bones. Okay, next one. Fluorides. Fluorides have in seafood and vegetable and fruits. Okay. Form tooth enamel ก็คือสร้างสารเคลือบฟันนั่นเอง Healthy bone and healthy straw stop to decay. If you lack of vitamin, if you lack of mineral chlorophyll, you will have a tooth decay. Next one, sodium. Sodium is in table salt and food with salt. Okay, the sodium control amount of water in cell. Tiredness. If you lack of sodium, it will be tiredness of low blood pressure. Muscle cramp. And also iron, if you lack of iron, you will have low blood cell tiredness or we call in Thai คือโลหิตจางนั่นเองถ้าขาดไอรอนจะเป็นโลหิตจางนะคะ in liver animals offal คือเครื่องในนะคะ animals offal คือเครื่องในนะคะ and green leafy vegetable if you lack of iron you will have low red blood cell and then tiredness next one iodine it will be swallow of the neck ก็คือเป็นไทรอยด์นั่นเองถ้าขาดไอโอดีนจะเป็นไทรอยด์นะคะ swelling ก็คือคอบวมก็คือคอพอกนั่นเองคอพอกนั่นเอง next one sign of nutrients deficiency if you lack of protein you will have slow growth in children dry skin, dull hair, and weak nail. If you lack of carbohydrate, you will have weak and lean muscle. If you lack of fat, you will have dry skin and tiredness because of lack of energy. Okay. If you lack of waters, you will be dehydrated. Your lips will dry, and then you will lose a lot of water. You cannot get into the sun. Okay, and it will be tiredness. Lack of oxygen to organ and burn cell and maybe cause death. Okay. nutrients อันนี้ข้อนี้มีออกข้อสอบนะคะหน้า33นะคะ sort activities from hardest to easiest hardest is running easier is walking easiest is reading okay next one daily food needs for different age group okay eggs you always need egg preschool children young and adult now you are at preschool or children you should take egg you should eat egg once every day you should eat egg every day 1 egg per day meal 2 to 4 glasses 3 to 4 glasses 3 to 5 glasses but adult you should take half glasses or just 1 glasses okay this is not really important in nutrition kilocalories kcal is used to show a unit of food energy different nutrients give different amounts of energy 1 grams of protein give 4 kilocalories 1 gram of carbohydrate give 4 kilocalories 1 gram of fat gives 9 kilocalories 9 kilocalories the nutrition fact I don't have in my midterm exam and then next one food additive page 40 food additive okay food and coloring food coloring make food look more attractive okay the harm you can cause dizziness loss of appetite and even cancer okay taste enhancer like msg benefits make food taste better but the harm is you will be thirsty insensitive people or you will be like numb tongue, dry lip, dry throat. Okay. Next one, sweetener or aspartame. Aspartame make food sweet and give less energy. Okay. Preservative keep food safe for longer. Next one, guideline, 9 food guideline. Eat different food from 5 group. If I say 4 group, it's not correct. Food group have 5 group, okay? And what's your body weight? Number 2, eat rice together with other starchy food in different meal. You have to eat variants. For example, you cannot just eat rice every day. You can eat noodles, you can eat bread, or you can eat some taro, or you can eat potatoes, okay? Eat a lot of vegetable and healthy amount of fruit. Yes, of course, it's a food dietary guideline. You should eat healthy and you should eat a lot of vegetable. Next one, eat fish, lean meat, eggs, and dry nuts every day. Next one, drink enough milk to feed your eight. Next one, number 7, avoid too many sweet and salty tastes. Number 8, eat many sweet and salty food. Avoid it, okay? Over the Cat Studio, come in. Now we are reviewing. We review the midterm exam, okay? Now we are at page 41, Nobel, page 41, okay? Food group dietary guideline is do not drink or drink less alcoholic drinks. But if you are a kid, you should not drink at all. You do not drink or drink less alcoholic drinks. Next one, this one will have in your midterm exam. Study the table below and answer the questions. Okay. How much energy can we get from 200 grams of ripe bananas? Okay, this is only 100. This is 100 grams, food per 100 grams. If we need 200, we need to times 2. Okay, we need to time 2. That's it. Next one, this table have in your midterm exam as well. Okay, protein need for children per day, age. If they say how many grams of protein doses a 10-year-old child of 30 kilogram needed per day? You have to look first where is 10-year-old child or where is your 10 years old child. It will be 7 to 11, so he need protein 1.2 per kilogram per day. Okay, per kilogram per day. So if he weighed 1.2 kilograms, he need 1.2 grams of protein. But if he weighed 30 kilograms, how much gram of protein do he need? He need 36 grams of protein. The 10-year-old children need 1.2 grams of protein per kilo of the body weight. So a 30 kilogram child need 30 times 1.2 equal 36 grams of protein per day. Okay, 36 grams of protein per day. Next one, a summarize. I don't have a summarize in my midterm exam. Next one, no. Next one, no. Next one, a digestive system. I have a video for you. A digestive system. The same old video. Today we will review all of it. You guys just chilling and then just listen to me. That's it.
And spelling.
Oops, excuse me. Oh, hello friends. Have you ever wondered where does the food go once it enters your body? Sorry. Well, worry no more, because I'll tell you all about the human digestive system. Oops. Come on, what are you waiting for? Zoom in. Digestion is a simple process where large insoluble food particles are broken down into smaller water-soluble molecules so that they can be absorbed by blood and give energy to different parts of our body. The process of digestion has a few stages, and I'll take you through all of them. Come! Chewing is the first stage of the digestive system. When you chew your food, the food particles break down into little pieces that are easier to swallow. The saliva, which contains a lot of enzymes, mixes with those food particles and helps break down those food particles even more. Once you have completely chewed your food, the tongue helps to push the food particles down your throat. This process is called swallowing. The food travels through a long pipe called esophagus, also known as the food pipe. When the food particles have traveled through the food pipe, their next destination is the stomach, where those particles hang out for approximately 4 hours. The stomach releases a lot of acids and enzymes, which further break down the food particles, so that these particles can be absorbed by your body. An enzyme called pepsin, present in the stomach, helps break down the proteins. Oh, and a lot of bacteria are killed by a superhero, the stomach, so that we don't fall sick. Destination next, the small intestine. Once the food particles reach the small intestine, a lot of juices from the liver and pancreas help break down those particles. The liver secretes bile, which helps break down fats, and the pancreas releases other enzymes to help digest all kinds of food particles. Now that the food particles are broken down, the small intestine absorbs them and transfers them to our body through blood. The particles that are not absorbed by the small intestine reach the large intestine. Now the large intestine absorbs water and other particles and sends the waste material out of your body. Trivia time! Did you know that our large intestine produces antibodies that help us boost our immunity? When your face becomes red due to blushing, the lining of your stomach becomes red too. So eat healthy, digest healthy, and live healthy. Tune in next time for more fun facts. This is me zooming out.
Okay. Okay, next one, digestive system. What is digestive system, class? Digestive system, okay. Next one. Digestive system is the system that breaks down food into smaller pieces for its nutrients and enter the blood. When nutrients are in blood, the circulation system take them to all parts of the body, making the body to grow and stay healthy. Mouth, okay, esophagus, stomach, intestine, and large intestine. Which organ break down carbohydrate? The mouth. Which organ break down pork? The stomach. You have to remember which organ digests what. Okay. The digestive system is made up of many organs that work together. Starting from mouth, we chew and break food into little pieces and send it down to esophagus in the stomach. In the stomach, food digests or sent into a stomach intestine, where nutrients enter the blood. Any undigested food will enter the large intestine, where it leaves the body as a feces through the anus. Feces ก็คือขี้นั่นเองนะคะ Next one, function of organs. Okay, meal is chewing a breakdown food in mouth, not milk. Mouth, chewing and break down food into a little pieces. Esophagus, pathway for food from mouth to stomach, and then the mouth that we mix with food and saliva we call bolus. Bolus is not in your book, class. Bolus is not in your book. B-O-L-U-S. Bolus. Next one, stomach. Make digestive juice to digest protein. Small intestine make digestive juice to digest all kind of food and take up nutrients. Liver make a digestive juice called bile to digest fat. Remember that bile is from fat, not protein fat. ใคร อุ้ยปากแวบค่ะมันจะเป็นโอเค liver make a digestive juice called bile to digestive fat. You have to remember bile is made from liver but stored in gallbladders. Okay, and what enzyme? Enzyme is meat. Where do we meet enzyme? Stomach and small intestine. Okay, enzyme. Next one, pancreas make digestive juice. Some enzymes make from pancreas. Large intestine take up waters, minerals, and vitamins from undigested food. Anus pass out the food waste from the body. Okay. Easy, class, easy. If you cannot do the exam, I will don't know what to do with you because I review it for 2 days already and I review only the exam. Okay. Next one. Mouth, esophagus, pancreas, stomach, liver, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Okay, you have to remember too. This unit is very important. I also have 20 items for it, and I already tried to test it. Out of 40s, I get 39. I was wrong 1 point because I was too hurried. Okay, I hope you guys will get fully score. Mouth, okay, the digestive organ mouth. Okay, in mouth, what did we do? Cut, tear, crush, and chew food into a smaller pieces. And then tongue, what is tongue? Due to taste and mix food for chewing and allow food pass down the throat. Next one, saliva gland, salivary gland. Salivary gland, there are 3 pairs. Under jawline, the tongue, and behind the ears. Okay, there are 3 plates. And then they make saliva that mix with food, making it softer and digest carbohydrate. Okay. The next one, esophagus. Esophagus have a duty to squeeze and expand. No digestion is happen here. No digestion is happen in esophagus. Okay. Y'all have to remember no side effect of no digestion. I was wrong. No digestion in esophagus. Only squeeze and expand. Esophagus hollow tube is long, like 25 centimeters long. Connect to the throat, foreling be the stomach. It squeeze and expand to move food from mouth down to stomach. Next one, stomach is pear-shaped organ. Stomach is pear-shaped organs, okay? Make hydrochloric or HCl, mucus, and enzyme to digest protein. Stomach make enzyme that work well in a public place. So bleach or pus smell badly because stomach acid mixed with food. Okay. Small intestine about 6 to 7 meters long. It's happen everything. Small intestine digests everything here and take up all the nutrients. Okay. It uses enzyme together with bile from the liver and enzyme from pancreas to digest nutrients. We will go for more details in next page. Which enzyme is from liver and which enzyme is from pancreas. Okay. And then the last one, large intestine, big tube that follow from the small intestine. They will absorb waters, minerals, and vitamin, but no undigested food enter the body and come out as a feces. Anus it stay in rectum ก็คือไส้ตรงนะคะ and come out from the body through the anus. Okay. Enzyme producing organs. Enzyme producing organ has two organs. It's mean liver producing organs too. Liver producing bile and then store in gallbladder. Pancreas producing enzyme. Okay. And it's make enzyme that break down nutrients, especially carbohydrate, fat, and protein. These enzymes mix with bile and enter the first part of small intestine, the duodenum, to help with digestion. In this page, have exam, so you have to read it well. Next one, there are two types of digestion, mechanical and chemical. Easy class, easy. I will ask you how many types of enzyme that digest protein. How many type? How many type of enzyme that digest protein? The answer is pepsin, renin, and trypsin. Okay. If I ask you what enzyme digests protein including milk is protein as well, and also trypsin. So you have to answer pepsin, renin, and trypsin. Okay. Mouth, okay, what is happen in mouth? Mouth have amylase found in saliva to digest carbohydrate. Next one, stomach digest protein. Pepsin and hydrocolloid digest general protein. Renin digests protein in milk. And then in the small intestine, digest carbohydrate. Mylase made in pancreas to digest a starch in small intestine. For example, what do you think why in small intestine have amylase? Because it's from pancreas. It's not from our mouth. If our mouth go to the stomach, the hydrocolloid will destroy the enzyme already. So the enzyme will pass out from pancreas, made in pancreas to digest starch in the small intestine. Lactase digests lactose. Maltase digests maltose. Fructose digests fructose. Next one, protein. Again, you see protein. Type, trypsin, made in pancreas and sent to the small intestine. Okay. Next one, fat. Lipase enzyme is digest fat made in pancreas and sent to small intestine. Bile made in liver, stored in the gallbladder and sent to the small intestine. Highlight this one, class. Highlight this one. Bile made from liver, stored in gallbladder and sent to the small intestine. This will be the same. Will be the same. How to eat, how to keep our digestive system healthy by eating clean and fresh food, eating on time and eating 3 meals a day, avoiding food that are too sweet, too salty, or too sour, exercise regularly, not smoke or drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of cup or enough water to feed the body daily. Yes. Next one. Open your book at the exam. Okay. Use it to answer question 1. What weight group is 12 years old girl who is 130 centimeters tall and 30 kilogram? 130 female, so we have a look at female, and then 130 centimeters, and then how much she weigh? She weighed 30, so it will be healthy weight. Next one, what do not give all energy, vitamin, mineral, waters? What nutrients do taro and potato give? Carbohydrate. Okay, carbohydrate. You tick it too. If someone who already not correct, who is wrong, tick it. Tick the correct answer with red pen. Okay. Next one, which is best in helping repair damaged tissue? Grilled duck. Why it's grilled duck? Because grilled duck has protein. Grilled duck has protein. How fat useful to our body? Keep the bodies warm. Next one. Which will give the highest energy? You have to sum up energy calorie. The answer is noodles with chicken in sticky gravy and ripe mango. Next one. Which food additive is good for health? Iodine, table salt. It's good for health. Taste enhancer, MSG, is not good. Sweetener is not good. Food coloring is not good. Okay. Next one, in one day, 14-year-old girl eats 700 for breakfast, 800 kilocal for lunch, 515 for dinner. So you have to add all up. It will be 2015. So she will get 15 kilocalorie more. Okay. Next, number 9, which is not the guideline in the food dietary guideline. It's easy, class. Eat lots of fat to keep the body warm. If you eat a lot of fat, you will be fat. It's not eat a lot of fat to keep body warm. You can take up energy, like eat carbohydrate. Carbohydrate will be the energy of activities, also make you warm also. Or eat proper fat to keep you warm. You don't have to eat a lot. You just eat a medium, eat a proper one. Okay. Next one, number 10, which is function of digestive system? Break down food and send nutrient into the blood. You have to read all of this. This is number 10 that I make a mistake. I got 39 out of 40 because of this one, because of number 10. Next one, which organ makes bile? Liver. What is function of stomach? Break down protein. Okay. Next one, what is A? A is mean esophagus. Number 14, which organ digests food but does not take up nutrient? Stomach. Stomach digests a lot food. Stomach mostly digests protein but does not take up all the nutrients at all. Okay. Number 15, which digests in mouth? Right, because digest by amylase in mouth. Next one, 16, which is correct about digestion? Biohealth in breaking down fat. Okay, biohealth in breaking down fat. Correct. Okay, large intestine digests carbohydrate. Not correct. Small intestine does not digest food, but it takes up nutrient. Not correct. Small intestine digests everything and take up all the nutrients. Stomach digests fat first. No, stomach digests protein. Okay. Next one, answer the question. Use the picture for question 17 and 18. Where most nutrients absorbed is number 6. Which does not use enzyme to digest? Number 2, esophagus. Where does digestion in? Number 6, because there is no digestion in large intestine. Next one, where does digestion end? Is number 6. who take good care of his or her digestive system good no one always eats on time eats on time have very good so you don't have to be โรคกระเพาะนะคะนักเรียนเกิดนะคะไม่ต้องเป็นเกิดนะคะถ้า eat on time ก็คือจะไม่เป็นโรคกระเพาะนะคะโอเค that's it all for today I go through everything very fast หัวลังนกยกมือทำไมมีคำถามไหมนักเรียนครูอยากให้นักเรียนถามนะคะเพราะว่าตอนนี้ครูรีวิว2 วันแล้วครูรีวิวทั้งหมด2 วันแล้วเวลาสอบห้ามเปิดหนังสือนะคะห้ามเปิดหนังสือเวลาสอบห้ามเปิดหนังสือเด็ดขาดมีใครมีคำถามไหมครูจะปล่อยให้อ่านหนังสือนะคะวันนี้เงียบทุกคนอยู่ไหมเนี่ย
อยู่ค่ะอยู่ค่ะอยู่ค่ะ
โอเคอยู่ดีมากครูจะปล่อยให้พวกเราอ่านหนังสือนะคะกรุณาอ่านหนังสือด้วยอีกครึ่งชั่วโมงที่เหลือนะคะอ่านหนังสือด้วยเพราะว่าพรุ่งนี้เรามีสอบเราสอบกี่โมงนะพรุ่งนี้เราสอบกี่โมงนะนักเรียนพรุ่งนี้
จำไม่ได้ค่ะ
จำไม่ได้เดี๋ยวครูส่งให้อีกรอบหนึ่งนะคะแป๊บหนึ่งโอเคสอบบ่ายโมงถึงบ่าย2:30นะคะบทที่1และบทที่2หน้า2ถึงหน้า67นะคะ40 ข้อ40 คะแนนนะคะ40 ข้อ40 คะแนนโอเคมีใครมีคำถามไหมครูจะจบแล้วนะเพราะวันนี้ครูพูดเร็วมากนักเรียนครูรัวมากแล้วครูก็รู้ตัวด้วยว่าครูรัวมากเพราะวันนี้เป็นวันที่2ของการรีวิวแล้วโอเคถ้าใครไม่มีอะไรแล้วครูไปแล้วนะ
ค่ะ
มีคำถามไหม
ไม่มีค่ะ
โอเค that's I wish you good luck for tomorrow okay good luck thank you class
thank you teacher
thank you everyone see you